Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Kato James, a student of Nakawa Vocational Institute, doing a diploma in civil engineering. Today, I would like to take you through our real-life project that we've been doing for the last 1 month. And this project came up as a result of lack of enough toilets, but we were actually approached by the school administration, whereby by the time civil engineering was introduced in Nakawa, the toilets, the existing structure which is there, was really enough for the population that was here. When civil was introduced in Nakawa, we ran short of enough toilets, and we had to implement a new way how to sustain the problem. Therefore, this is when we were approached and being tasked to take this on as our project, but in actual sense we were also trying to look at the problem that was in place to help the population. This is when we came up with the design of this project, and we have a new structure coming up. So on adding on what we have as our old structure, we have this as the new structure. We started from ground zero of this project. We did the foundation, we excavated the trees, because this ground needed clearing, like you can see. We cleared and we excavated. We started with our foundation. We used a strip foundation, whereby we laid our concrete as the blinding. In simple terms, we laid the plinth wall, like you can see. We did it very well. Having our toilets, we did the plinth wall, we casted the concrete, like you can see it there. So out of the ground, after the foundation, we have 6 blocks or 6 toilets. It's a 1 unit toilet, it's a 1 block, but inside there we have 6 toilets for the women on that wing, and then we have also 6 toilets on the gentleman's side. From the foundation, we've done halfway of the block work, which we are still, of course, come up to continue with the project as time moves on. But so far, because of the interest of our examination and the project, due to the time that was given us from UVTAB, this is how far we've gone, but we are still to continue with our project till the end, which will be the roofing. Individually, I used to participate out in the field. I didn't know how to start when you're setting up a structure, but today I can confidently inform you that I can now put what I've learned here in use outside there. I can set a structure, whether a solid building or a bungalow. I can still all do that with my skills that I've acquired from here. Thank you.